This private 65-acre country estate sells at auction with no reserve. Bid live on site May 18th. This beautiful property, located in unincorporated Platte County, Missouri, offers peaceful country living with city amenities just minutes away. This gorgeous 65-acre country estate features hilltop scenic views, rolling hills, hardwood timber, 3 pastures with heated waterers, and white vinyl fencing, all selling to the highest bidder with no reserve. The 60 by 60 metal outbuilding includes a heated garage or shop, equipped with air conditioning, water, and a 200-amp electrical service. Attached 20-foot lean-to for covered storage, barn addition with drive-through access, and much more. Tour the property Sunday, April 29th, May 6th, and May 13th from 2 to 4 p.m. Come home to your custom-built 4-bedroom, 3-bath true ranch offering a total of 4,746 square feet of finished living area, including the main floor and finished walkout lower level. Bid live on site May 18th. Visit katesauction.com for more information. We hope to see you at the auction.